Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dwayne in Tennessee on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Dwayne, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment. Let's get right to it. We'll turn the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. AM mode. About 23 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 125. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 210, 215 average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 500 in the corner. So we can put a 1000 watt slug in here. And so yeah, I'm going to guess it's probably about 525, 530. Hello. Whoa. Huh, closer to 600. Alright, Dwayne, this thing's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.